Welcome back to Good Morning Kentucky. Ashley Kay joins us, and she's talking about the S word.
I know, snow. Snow, we do have it in the forecast multiple times, actually. So we're going to want to, stay weather aware all through our weekend into this weekend. For this morning, we don't have that snow. We're a little bit more calm. We don't have to worry about that. We do have some cold temperatures out there, though. So we're right at freezing here in Lexington, 32 there, as well as in London, Williamstown, Frankfort's at 31, Somerset at 30. All of us feeling chilly, and those wind chill temperatures are even colder. Many of us dipping down into the 20s. You'll want to make sure you have a coat on heading out this morning. I had my coat and my gloves, and I definitely felt like I needed them. I felt like they were necessary. So keep that in mind. Have the kids keep that in mind as they're heading off to school. We're still feeling cold for this morning. Not quite as cold as it was yesterday. We have recovered slightly, but still a bit of a chill to the air heading home, though things will be mild, but we're going to be breezy through this afternoon. Winds are going to be gusting up to 30 miles an hour later on today, especially towards the northwest. So breezy day today. You'll want to hold on to those hats. As we head overnight, we're going to see those winds calming down a little bit into tomorrow morning. They're going to start to switch and come more out of the north. We got this cold front that's going to be moving right on through. That'll bring some northern breezy winds in for Wednesday. That's going to drop temperatures down, and that sticks around all the way through Thursday and into the end of this week. So we do have some winter weather going to accompany that cold front moving through. What we can expect for today, mild, windy, and staying dry. So we don't have a whole lot for us today, but tomorrow we start to see rain chances during the day. That transitions into snow by night as those temperatures drop. Thursday, the snow showers exit by the morning, and Arctic air starts to settle in for the end of our week. And we have even more snow chances ahead of that as well. So let's look at that on Futurecast. Mostly sunny through our day today. There's those breezy winds bringing us up into the low to mid 50s. Cloud cover going to be increasing as we head overnight, and those rain chances popping up by tomorrow morning. You might want an umbrella heading out the door for tomorrow. Those temperatures going to peak probably early in the afternoon, maybe late morning, because look at this. Once we get past lunchtime, we're already dropping down. Once we get to below freezing, any of that leftover rain going to be able to transition into snowfall, and it's looking like going to stay fairly isolated until we get towards the southwest, becoming a little bit more widespread here. So we're going to look to get some more snowfall there. Heading through the overnight hours, looking like some maybe isolated to scattered snowfall. Thursday, anywhere we have some cloud cover left over, I think we could see some flurries because temperatures going to be staying quite cold in those 20s, but that clears out as we head into the afternoon. By Friday, we're staying cold, starting off in the teens. That's where we have some more snow chances. Probably some more flurries is what we're looking like during the day. We're going to be tracking another system to move through Friday night, though, and into Saturday, and that could bring us another chance of some snowfall. So in terms of potential impacts, what we're expecting for this first system moving through Wednesday and into Thursday, I think we're going to be less likely to see those impacts up to the northeast, northwest. This is where we're going to have more isolated snow showers. Not looking to see things as widespread. That transition happening a bit too early. Once we get down to the southeast, though, those impacts going to become more likely. Could see accumulations up to ½ an inch, maybe 1 inch in a few areas. I think most of the rest of us only going to see a couple tenths of an inch. So today we're more mild but breezy in the afternoon. Rain to start off on Wednesday, then we transition into that snow, which lasts us into Thursday. More snow chances Friday during the day as well as into Saturday.